Hi, Vay. Happy birthday. Aram mo man na payabatay ka. Payabat ako mo, boss. To more success to you kasi deserve mo yan. Yun lang. See you soon. Tuloy na natin date natin. Bye-bye.
Hi, Vay. Happy birthday. Wishing all the good vibes. Ingat lagi. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nang Vay!
HBB. Okay, next.
Happy birthday, Ate Bay. Very, tiga-wish ko lang na sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay and yung mga gusto mo pang gawin sa buhay is matupad mo and yung mga pangarap mo hindi lang para sa'yo, kundi para na din sa pamilya mo. Sana matupad yun kasi alam ko na nangangarap ka hindi lang para sa sarili mo. And, syempre, matagal ko na din, pray na sana ma-meet mo na din yung other half mo. Soon, kasi syempre, hindi na tayo bumabata. Hindi ka na bumabata. Need mo na din ma-experience yung genuine. Yung love na you don't have to question yourself if deserve mo ba yung mga... alam ko, you have a lot of friends. Pero iba pa din yung meron kang partner na kumbaga, yung partner na maaasahan na sobrang mapagkakatiwalaan mo na hindi ka ibibetray sa lahat ng ibibigay mo sa kanya. Yung trust, yung love, and yung kindness na meron ka. Alam ko na very loving kang tao. Hindi ka man showy, pero you have your own ways to express yourself. Yung pagmamahal mo sa isang tao, yung pag-care mo. And I really appreciate you in many ways. Alam mo yan. Di man ako very showy or di man tayo masyado nagkikita-kita or nagja-jam-jam for the past months, years. Pero palagi lang ako andito. Nakasubaybay sa mga stories mo. And palaging nag-aabang kung saan na naman ang next adventure mo sa buhay. Baka malaman ko na lang out of the country na ang travel. Hindi na lang hiking, hindi na lang swimming, hindi na lang local travel. So yun, wala akong ibang gustong wish sa'yo or ipag-pray sa'yo, kundi magkaroon ng, mahaba pang buhay sa lahat naman ng tao. Yun naman yung gusto ko. Yun yung palagi kong pinag-pray. At saka, sana huwag kang magbabago. Kung magbabago ka man, sana for the better, for improvement sa sarili, sa pakikipagkapwa-tao. Hindi lang yan. Alam ko man na, very kind kang tao. Sana, di ka na ma-take advantage pa ng ibang tao. Yung kindness mo. And you can freely express yourself, yung opinion mo, and such. Yun lang. Sana ma-meet mo na yung para sa'yo. To make you feel special. Not just make you feel special. Someone who'll treasure you as you. Yung flaws mo, yung topak mo, yung mood mo, or whatsoever pa na meron ka as isang tao or kung ano ka as isang tao. Ayun, happy birthday. See you again. Kung kailan, I don't know when. Pero yun, love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Bay!
Ate Bay, ingat lagi. Wala.
Happy birthday, Litlit. I hope by your next birthday, boyfriend, more to come.
Go, happy? Say happy? Birthday? Nana. Very good. Happy birthday, Nana. We love you. Say love you.
Hi, Ate Bay. Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best and more birthday to come. So, enjoy your day.
So, I have no idea who you are, but I was told to record this. Your sibling has told me that it's your birthday and so it's a very special day for you. So, hello again. I wish you a very happy birthday and a very awesome day. May you achieve all your success and all your happiness.
Hello, Babyliss. This is Taylor Swift. I just wanna say happy birthday. How old are you? 28. Oh, you are my lover. Happy birthday, Babyliss. I hope you're well and I wish you all the best. Love you. To my hardworking, adventurous, and sporty sister in the community, whose work ethic and fair morals are so admirable, I hope you continue to inspire others with your faith and your values. And I want you to know that I'm so proud of you, of the ate you are to your siblings, and who you are as well to all of us in the community. And I'm so blessed to have known you in this lifetime. I hope happy ang heart mo today and always. And marating mo lahat ng gusto mong ma-achieve sa work and sa personal stuff. And nandito lang ako always kung kailangan mo ng kausap, kung kailangan mo ng advice sa zodiacs, kung kailangan mo ng karamay sa pang-hate sa mga Scorpio, andito lang ako. And I love you always, Ate Bay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Babyliss from Paris. Ayan. So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo is, more birthdays to come. Grabe! Bihira lang makabot ng 60 years old, di ba? Just ganyan pa face mo, parang 12 years old ka lang. So, gusto ko sabihin na sana maging kagaya mo ko. Maging gaya ako sa iyo na at the age of 60 years old, may sarili ka ng bulldozer. Sino ba ang ayaw nun, right? So, stay pretty. At, ayun, gusto ko pag tanda ko, at the age of 60, maging baby face ako kagaya mo. Diba? Yun lang, happy birthday from Paris. Aww.